Well guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome to Hartung Family Farms. Today it's Sunday. I don't know what day in November it is, but you'll see it in the pop-up screen. But I just got out to the farm, just got back from a weekend in Chicago, and we got an inch and a half snow here, 2 inches up in Bellevue. And so we can't combine beans at all. We got 30 acres of beans left up at Zymus, and then we're done with beans. We got a lot done on that Thursday, Friday that we started doing beans, which is good. But yeah, so all we have to do now is all of our bins are full here, so we got to move corn. So we're gonna be doing that today, as well as we're gonna chop earlage, because the snow will plug up the sieves in the combine, so we can't combine corn, but we can chop it because it'll actually help us some, because the crop's really dry. Ideally, we like to chop our corn between 20 to 25% moisture, and right now it's about 17 to 18, so the snow actually might help us a little bit. But anyway, I'm gonna go see who's around and try to do something this afternoon. So we just got done, just got off the phone with Nathan. We just got done eating. We're actually gonna be bagging this. We got 2 days of chopping left. We got a day of filling a bag, and we got a day of filling our pit. So we're gonna bag today. So that's where we're heading. I'm gonna head back and help them finish setting up the bag. I knew I didn't see the chopper around. I wondered if Pat was running, and there's my answer. He's probably just filling a load so we can get this wagon, basically get the bag started. It's a pain in the butt to get the bag started, so you gotta have a full load and just kind of baby it in. Looks like he has a full load, so head back there. Just dropped the wagon. It's got an automatic hitch. All right, we'll hop and go take a look. Just a load. The ag bagger. That's our 1566 Pat's just taking off with. We got our chopper here. And we got the iPad. We got a lot of stuff going on. I'm not sure what I'm doing, so play it by ear. Piggy! 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 You're a good piggy! You're a good piggy! You're a good piggy! That's Renee's piggy. I'm gonna start the feeder wagon tractor. Let that warm up, so Kurt can start moving it home manure. Let's see how hard this thing starts. Like it's nothing. So that's the pits we gotta fill up. I'll just hop up and do it. So that's the pit we gotta fill. I think it's gonna take a little more than a day to fill this, but we'll see. Then we just gotta cover that out. That's our silage pit. We're way behind in a lot of stuff. All right, time to go dump the first load. First load in the bagger. You'll start to see this fill up. You'll start to see this fill up once we start dumping some more into it. You already start to see some coming up right there. That's about it. I'm gonna get out of here, but that's how that bagger works. Pretty solid against there now. We're ready to roll. As soon as we get tractors ready. got the first load into the bag. Now we're just waiting for Pat to get back from doing chores. And we're gonna start rolling. Hopefully get 12 loads or so in that bag today. I don't know how much it takes to fill it, 20, 25-ish. I think it's a 250 foot long bag. Could be wrong on that one though. So we're gonna head back to the shop, wait for Pat. And my dad just got back with the corn head. He pulled that back from the Andrew farm. We'll unhook it and then we'll go from there. Where'd this pin go?
In this truck.
You wanna close the gate? All right, I got Tate along with me. Got 9 buckets of corn and 2 tubs of mineral. We're gonna go drop those off, check on the cattle, and then bring a good chopper box back. And we're gonna chop some earlage. So that's basically just chopping with a corn head on top of you or in front of you. While Nathan's moving corn and Curtis and Parker are hauling manure. Alrighty guys, so I made it up to the farm here. Go check some cattle and figure out where I need to put these bales and stuff. Or not bales, but the buckets of feed and stuff in the back. There's all the cattle down there.
Those are
Hummus! 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 Ah, they're coming. We'll get the stuff out here. This is the heck. Oh,
what the heck are these for?
don't worry about that, Tate. Go ahead now. I'm going to start handing you buckets. Alright, counting cows now, checking, take a look and see how good they're looking. They're all pure eating right now, that's for sure though. Moo to you too. Come on, say, come on! Come on, house, come on, house! It's my primal mating call. There they're coming. Still can't get those 3 suckers in the very back. Let's go and walk through, take a look to make sure we don't see any pink eye or anything wrong with them, and then we'll keep going. These are some good looking calves. Nice fat ones. Real healthy looking. Need to get these things weaned. There's 5 more down there. That's how much they love their mineral. It's like vitamins for cows. Oh, and they love it. Just literally just fighting each other for them. Jeez. Can't remember what your name was who was commented, but I'm at Bill Wenzel's right now, picking up our last chopper box wagon so we can start chopping here today. So we're gonna hook this up and head back to Preston, start chopping.
So was the chopper down here?
Yep, yeah, we chop for this, for his name's Bill Wenzel. So, I'm gonna back up, lock my hitch in. Get this thing out on the road if I can get out of here. Ooh, might be a little tricky getting out of here. Well, we were stuck. Got her unstuck. Now time to head out. All I did was basically extend the tongue so I could get a run at it and get her out of there. All right, time to head out. Alrighty guys, just made it back to the farm. Unhooked my wagon. Gonna go hook it up to the tractor. Pat's already got started. Let's get going.